In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload project on GitHub with README and folder setup. Start by opening your browser and going to chatgpt.com. In a new chat, type a clear prompt asking for a professional GitHub-ready README and a reusable folder structure for your project. If you see a suggested preset that offers to set you up with a clean GitHub structure and README you can reuse, click it. Let the assistant generate the content. When it's done, review the sections: Overview, Setup, Usage, Testing, Contribution Guidelines, and License, and copy the full README text. Also take note of the suggested folders like SRC, Tests, and Docs. We'll create those in the repository. Next, go to github.com and sign in. From your dashboard, click the New button to create a repository. Enter a short, memorable repository name and an optional description. Choose whether the repo should be public or private. Select the option to add a README so we can edit it right away in the browser, then click Create Repository. On the repository page, open the readme.md file and click the Edit icon. Replace the placeholder content with the README you copied from earlier. Add a brief, descriptive commit message so your history stays clear, then choose Commit Changes to save. Return to the repository's main page. Open the Add File menu and choose Create New File. In the file name box, you can create folders by typing a path. For example, type srcs.getkeep or docs.readme.md to establish the folders you noted earlier. Add a short placeholder line if needed, then commit those changes as well. This step is helpful for setting up structure before you upload code. Back on the main repository view, click Add File again and choose Upload Files. Drag and drop your project's files and folders into the upload area, or click to select them. Give GitHub a moment to list everything. Double-check that you're not uploading any secrets or environment files you don't want public. Write a concise commit message, then click Commit Changes to finish the upload. If a Skip to Content link appears at the top, use it to jump back to your repository overview, where you can verify your README, folders, and uploaded files are all in place. And that's it. Your project now has a polished README, a clear folder setup, and your files are safely on GitHub, ready to share or collaborate on.